we have already done this, but I am again preparing a short video for you all to understand how these fibers get converted into yarn or thread and how this thread or yarn converted into fabric. इस small flow chart की help से we will try to understand. See, we have already know that fibers are the thin strands, very thin strands, hair-like structures, which are known as fibers, and these fibers get converted into thread with the help of one process called spinning. Spinning process की help से ये fibers क्या बनाते हैं? yarn बनाते हैं, thread बनाते हैं. See, these are the thin strands of fibers. When we spin करते हैं, जब हम इन fibers को एक साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा लेकर spin करते हैं, तो इस तरह से thread बन जाते हैं. And these thread are called yarn. And how we can do this process of spinning? With the help of some tools or devices, hand spindle, charkha, spinning machines. These are the few devices with the help of which we can convert fibers into yarn. Or we can say the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. So picture of these tools is already given in our NCERT book. So you can see from there. Then comes from where we get these fibers. हमें ये fibers मिलते कहाँ से हैं? So there are the two sources of these fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers which obtain from nature or naturally, or we can say obtain from plants and animals. So here I have given you few examples of fibers which we get from plants and animals. So first one is cotton. Cotton is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant, and when it get matured, this fruit get matured, the cotton burst out and burst out with its seeds. And when we separate these seeds from cotton fibers with the help of combing, that process is known as ginning. जिनिंग क्या प्रोसेस है? जिसमें कॉटन फाइबर्स को सेपरेट किया जाता है सीड्स से. रिमूवल ऑफ सीड्स फ्रॉम कॉटन फाइबर्स. जब सीड्स रिमूव हो जाते हैं तो हमें कॉटन फाइबर्स मिलते हैं और वो फाइबर्स से हम फिर थ्रेड बनाते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस, स्पिनिंग प्रोसेस. देन नेक्स्ट इज जूट. We get jute from the stem of jute plant. जो jute plant की stem होती है उससे हमें jute मिलती है, and it helps in making bags, curtains, mats. Then next is wool. Wool is a fiber which obtained from animals. And silk is also a fiber which is obtained from animals. So wool and silk both are obtained from animals, and cotton and jute are obtained from plants. Wool we get from the fleece or hair of sheep or goat, or sometimes we also get it from hair of rabbit, yak and camels. Then silk we get from the cocoon of silkworm. Silkworm के जो cocoon होते हैं उनसे हमें silk thread मिलता है, which is used for making saris, kurtas, etc. So ये fibers हमें naturally मिलते हैं. Cotton, jute, wool, silk, few more fibers are there like hemp. Hemp again we get it from plants. जितने भी ये फाइबर्स मिलते हैं ये सब स्पिनिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू यार्न में कन्वर्ट होते हैं. आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग इनटू यार्न they get converted into fabric. Fabric means cloth. Then there are one more type of fibers called synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are obtained from chemical substances. Synthetic fibers किसके बने होते हैं? Chemical substances के बने होते हैं. They are not obtained from either plant or animals. They are made up of chemicals, for example, polyester, acrylic. So, these are the examples of synthetic fibers and these are the examples of natural fibers, and these are very important topics in this chapter, fiber to fabric. Now, next process is conversion of yarn into fabric. थ्रेड से हम फैब्रिक कैसे बनाते हैं, क्लोथ कैसे बनाते हैं, उसके लिए अगेन फ्यू प्रोसेस होते हैं लाइक वीविंग एंड निटिंग. वीविंग मीन्स बुनना, निटिंग इज ऑल्सो बुनना. वीविंग और निटिंग दोनों प्रोसेस के थ्रू हम फैब्रिक्स को बनाते हैं. यहाँ पर 2 सेट्स ऑफ यार्न को अरेंज करते हैं हम एक साथ, इस तरह से अरेंज करते हैं. वीविंग करते हैं, उनकी बुनते हैं. वीविंग जनरली लूम्स पे होती है, हैंडलूम्स और मशीन्स भी होती हैं वीविंग करने के लिए. देन निटिंग, निटिंग में आप अपने स्वेटर्स, वुलन्स को निट करते हैं. ये हैंड्स के थ्रू भी होती है और मशीन्स के थ्रू भी होती है. सो दिस वे वी कैन कन्वर्ट yarn into fabric. So the process of making fabric from yarn is known as weaving or knitting. So this way we have completed the whole chapter in this flow chart. So please go through my video and try to understand all the things. These are the important things which I have put it with the help of flow chart. Thank you.